My name is Aparna. I'm going to tell you the life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly go through four major stages of metamorphosis: egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Egg. Butterfly lay eggs on leaves of the plant. Mother uses glue and underneath. Egg has small funnel shaped opening to allow air and moisture. Caterpillar. An egg hatches like a larva and caterpillar emerges. Caterpillar release abundant egg as laid. Pupa. And caterpillar reaches its full size. They form the color red or colorful butterflies emerging through the silence of pupa with soft wings. After few hours, it begins to fly. Thank you.